Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Doing some work on my '03 Dodge Durango, and yeah, you're right, this is a new car. The old Yoda Tacoma. It's got some frame rot issues, so it's still on the road for a little while, but I got a new vehicle. And it's got a V8, which has got a lot more power than the gutless 4-cylinder. Anyway, I'm putting a new hitch on. It did come with a trailer hitch when I bought it, but it wasn't entirely usable, so I decided to put a new one on. Probably would have towed a kid's wagon. That's about it. I've used Curt products before, and for both of my Dodges, this one and the old first gen, and I've been happy with them. The fit and finish is nice. The price is decent. So at any rate, it's a Curt, I think it's a class 3, and this is the part number. This will fit a '03 Dodge Durango. And I just finished putting it on for the most part. I just wanted to kind of make a how-to, but a quick how-to, because well, there were a few things I needed to do to make it fit, and just to make your life easier if you're doing this, figured I'd show you. So after removing the old hitch, and also some of the hitch removed itself, I used the torch. You have to use the torch to get those old bolts off. There's no other way about it. Also, remove the spare tire. That gives you space to work. I can sit up here. I'm up on ramps, so I can sit cross-legged, and there's plenty of room to work in here. Now, to get the new hitch fully installed, I had to do two little tricks. Firstly, the exhaust was in the way. It's still pushed out of the way now. You can see I had to undo this hanger, and also those hangers there. There's one there, and also one still attached to the muffler there. So I had to remove those, slide them off. Use oil, because of course it gets all rusty and it's hard to slide the rubber thing out of the metal thing. So squirt some oil in there, and it comes off fairly well. Also use a pair of channel locks, and I kind of pinch it like this, and it helps squeeze the metal part out of the rubber. Anyway, so there's that. Also, I had an interference issue. So we're looking at the driver's side, and there's this little bracket which does nothing far as I can tell, and then there's the this leaf spring pin, bushing pin with a little head coming out of it. As you can see, I'm looking straight up right now, and it interferes with the upper lip of this hitch plate. So if you were to raise this hitch straight up, it would hit that. But if you try to come in this way from the side, that stupid little bracket cock blocks you. So you have to kind of funnel this in, the hitch in, and get this bolt in first, and then all the others follow. And if you're doing this single-handedly, which I did, I'm sure you've done stuff like this before, but lie on your back, you can get your knees up on the heavy part of the hitch, and my thighs are just about vertical, so I really don't have to strain too much to hold it. And then you can use your two hands to maneuver other stuff around. And that's really about it. I tightened all these bolts down. It says 110 foot-pounds of torque. What that means in driveway lingo is put a wrench on it, put a pipe on the wrench, and give it the go until it doesn't turn anymore, and then give it a little extra. And one season up here in Connecticut, with all the salt shit they put on the roads, these bolts will turn themselves into lock bolts, or lock nuts rather. And that's about it. Short and sweet. Those are the two little tricks that made my life a lot easier. Of course, having a torch too. If you're working on any rusty old Dodge, especially on the northern East Coast, forget about using wrenches. Just go straight to the torch or the angle grinder. Hopefully you have a torch, and not, you gotta buy one. And that's about it. I think I'm gonna do some rewiring here. That's you know, a little less than stellar in there. But anyway, that's that Curt hitch. Really nice. I like the finish, and you know, it just seems to be a nice piece. I've used the well, I guess this is the receiver, and the hitch that goes in there, I've bought Kurt as well, and those are also always nicely constructed and painted. So thumbs up for Kurt, hopefully a thumbs up for my videos. Hit the subscribe button down there or over there somewhere if you enjoyed this, and make sure to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, everybody.